guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for tonight's video, we are doing October's Boxycharm unboxing. So I did plan on doing a Halloween look tonight, but I tried doing it and I've been working on it for like the last 2 hours and it didn't work. So I'm back to the drawing board. I'm gonna make it work, but we're doing a Boxycharm video instead. So this is the Boxycharm for October of 2021 and this is what the box looks like when I open it. So I have not looked at it yet. I actually got this today. It arrived on my doorstep this morning, so I'm excited to see what we got. So there is a spellbound little card here that has all the prices on it. I did get an email from Boxycharm saying that my choice item that I chose is going to be coming outside of the box, so I don't actually have that item currently because it didn't arrive with my box. I don't know, they must have forgot or they must have put in the wrong item again, but at least I got contacted this time from Boxycharm and they did tell me that they're going to be sending me my choice item. I don't even remember what my choice item was because honestly, I'm just so tired of Boxycharm. I clearly wasn't looking forward to it that much, not like the Pure Release foundation, because I honestly have no idea what my choice item was, but they're sending it to me separately, so once I get it, I'll let you guys know. But this is what my box looks like so far. So this is the items we got. So the first thing I see is this blue package. So this is a 4-piece artistry brush set. So they sent us brushes again, so that's kind of awesome. I like the color of these brushes. These brushes are really nice. I don't have anything, I don't believe I have any brushes from this brand. I love brushes like this that are tapered like this. I'm really excited for that. And we got some blending brushes and we got some like detail brushes. Oh, these brushes are really nice. They feel kind of like, they're matte, but they kind of feel rubbery almost. Like they're very, very nice. And the bristles are really, really soft. So these retail for $27 for 4 brushes. So that is fairly expensive. That's more expensive than I usually spend on brushes. I mean, let's be honest, I get all of my brushes basically through Boxycharm. So who am I to say that's too expensive? But when I go on Lexi's website, and those are the brushes that I usually buy the most, or Moda, they are so expensive. So I'm very thankful that we get brushes quite often in this subscription box. So that retails for $27. So I'm just pulling up my calculator. So $27 is pretty good for brushes. I'm really excited for that. The next thing I see is a Tarte Sea Wink H2O. So this is a, I don't even know what that is. That is a vegan collagen eye cream. Okay, that's really awesome. I was literally looking at my eyes last night being like, it is time to use a night cream. So I'm really excited that we got one. So it's a very, very small packaging, but it is an eye cream. So I would say this is a small product, but it is a full-size product because it is eye cream. You're not going to be using a whole lot, especially in that area. So this retails for $35. This is a like an espresso shot for your under eyes, a vegan skin-loving eye cream that reduces the appearance of puffiness and dark circles for a refreshed, youthful look. The weightless water-based formula gives a lifted effect and is clinically proven to deliver 24-hour hydration. It helps firm and fight signs of aging with HydroFlex technology and creates a crease-resistant base. So I'm really excited for that. $35 for an eye cream is actually fairly inexpensive. I think I paid like upwards to $80 or $90 for one of the creams that I just got at the drugstore, which was outrageous because it did fucking nothing. But I'm really excited to try this out. If you guys are interested in me doing a month-long test or a review on this product, please let me know. This is what the packaging looks like. It looks really cute. I like that it's mint. And it comes with a safety seal on it, so that's great. And it doesn't really smell like anything, so that's awesome because I don't really want fragrance around my eye area. That would be a no-no for me. So it doesn't really have like a strong scent or anything, so that's really great. I am going to use this right away. The next thing I see is a lash set. So I have a bunch of lashes that I've ordered just over the years, and then I have a lash set that comes to me every couple of months through PR. So I do have quite a bit of lashes already in my collection that are just been sitting there and I haven't used yet. So I might pass these along to one of my friends just because I do have a really big lash selection already and I'm not going through them that quickly. So I may pass this along, but this is the Mary Lash Chimera Unique Beauty. It says, this is the most natural lash in the collection and is perfect for the woman who wants to keep it real with her beauty. It's a soft and light whisper lash that looks perfect on all eye shapes. It looks perfect on all genders too, so come on Boxycharm, let's be a little bit more inclusive. So these retail for $25. I may pass these along to one of my friends though, just because I don't really need lashes right now, but I'm really excited that we finally got lashes in a subscription box. The next thing is from the brand Appeal. So this is an adhesive liquid liner. Adhesive liquid liner, okay. What does that mean? Adhesive liquid liner jet black. This is the newest and most innovative way to apply your faux lashes. Step aside tubes of glue. This ultra fine liner is easy to apply in a hot way to spice up any eye look, and retails for $29. So this is a liquid liner that is also an adhesive, so you can pop your lashes right on top of that. So that's probably why I got lashes with this. So maybe I'll keep these and maybe I'll try them out because that seems interesting, but I'm curious to see if this is going to work on all of the lashes that are already in my collection. So I will definitely try this out. This is really interesting. It retails for $29, so that is fairly expensive. So we shall see if I like it. And the last thing I see in here is actually an Ace Beauté palette. So I'm really, really excited that I got a fucking palette for once. It has been like 5 or 6 boxes in a row that I have not gotten an eyeshadow palette. I haven't gotten any types of palettes at all. And I'm really excited that I finally got an eyeshadow palette. So I don't really remember what the choice item was. I think it was a highlighter like palette that I chose, but I don't remember. But I'm really excited that I got an Ace Beauté palette. So this is what the palette looks like. It is this stunning fall palette. It is so pretty. It has all of these gorgeous colors. There is these cranberries, these oranges, this really pretty green, and I need to swatch it. So I am going to, maybe not on my tattoo arm, I'm going to swatch it for you guys quickly. So this is apple. So apple, ooh, that is such a pretty color. This is squash. This is pumpkin pie. This is autumn. This is pine cone. Oh, what a funny name. I like that. Pine cone. This is cherry pie. Oh, that shimmer is so pretty. This is spice. Ooh, that is a gorgeous color. I'm gonna go back up here now. This is cranberry. So a gorgeous purple. Oh, wow. That's so pretty. This is chestnut, which is kind of like a really dark purple-ish brown. This is persimmon or persimmon, however you say that. Maybe I need to swatch it better and get the purple off my hand. Oh, that is so pretty. And this is cider. Wow, these colors are so pretty. And this is candy corn. Wow, those are absolutely stunning. I am absolutely in love with those colors. So a couple of the colors got mixed in just because I was using this hand to swatch all of them. I'm not the best swatcher ever, but those colors are so pretty. Those shimmers are so gorgeous. I absolutely love Ace Beauté palettes. They are not overly expensive and they always work really well for me. One of my absolute favorite palettes is from this brand. It is the Oceanic palette. It is this gorgeous kind of oceany blue green just dream. I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. So this is the Ace Beauté Falling For You palette. So the Falling For You palette represents some of your most favorite things about the fall season. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. Retails for $34.99. So $35 for an eyeshadow palette that has 12 shades in it is really great. I already got hair in it. Oh my God. So it has 4 shimmers and it has 8 mattes and it's really, really gorgeous. And the packaging is so stunning. I love the artwork on it and the packaging is so pretty. This is what the palette looks like. Again, I am definitely going to do a look using this palette right away and I have brushes now to do that with. So I'm really excited. I'm actually very excited that I didn't wait to open this Boxycharm because this Boxycharm was actually really good. I am thoroughly impressed. I didn't get a single item that I'm not going to use, so that's really great. I said that I may give my lashes away, but because we got an adhesive liquid liner, I may try out the lashes. But honestly, even if I was to give the lashes away, that's perfectly fine. Like, liking 4 out of the 5 items is really great for Boxycharm because usually I only like 1, maybe 2 items. So I am covered in swatches, but that is okay. I am very, very impressed with this box. This box this month was amazing. It was a little bit late, but it wasn't as late as last month's box because I did that in October. So I did that video, I think it was like October 1st or 2nd that I did my September box. So I'm really excited that I finally got my Boxycharm. It is October 18th today, so it's not too late in the month to get this box, and honestly, I'm just really excited. I now have some products to do a month-long test on and some eyeshadow, some brushes. Oh, I love this box. This box was freaking great. So I'm really excited. So if you guys are interested in joining Boxycharm, my referral code is in my description box down below. You guys can join it, and I think I get points to the charm room or something. I've never actually used any of the points for the charm room, so there's a referral code if you're interested. There's all the information in my description box about the boxes, about the base box. I think there is a base box, there's a luxe box, there's like a premium box. There's a bunch of different boxes you can choose from. I have the base box. I used to have the base box and the luxe box, but I found that the luxe box really wasn't worth the money for me. I live in Canada, so I have to pay the shipping and the taxes and the duties and the conversion on top of everything. So Boxycharm used to be about $21 a month, and you've got 5 full-size items ranging between everything being like $100 to $200. And now it's like closer to 36, 37 Canadian for me to order this box. So it's really expensive, especially when you live in a country that isn't the USA. So I think I pay about $30 to $40 every single month for this box, and a lot of the time it's not worth it for me just because I end up with products that I'll never use, or I end up with a box that is full of skincare that I just like can't get through. I have an entire drawer full of skincare items that I just can't get through, and they're gonna expire by the time that I finally get to use them, because I like to test out products for a couple of months or a month to give you guys an actual opinion on it. So a lot of the products that I finally get to are either going to expire or already expired. So I would say I'm really, really excited for this month's box. This month we got makeup items. That is so amazing considering this is a makeup subscription box. We finally got makeup, and it wasn't full of skincare. We got 1 skincare item, and that is exactly what I want. I want 4 makeup items and 1 skincare product. If you're gonna throw a skincare product in there, just one single product. I don't want more than that. But I'm really excited for this box. If you guys can't tell, I love Ace Beauté, so I'm so excited for this palette. I'm gonna play with it tomorrow. I'm so excited. It is such a pretty, like, perfect fall palette. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!